get lit up. No? You do, that's part of the game.
Come on, lost Mac.
You think you can come when I put my tank on?
Maybe. Got you. Yeah, I got you.
This nigga came late as fucking still didn't even get shot at. What the fuck happened?
Watch out that hole.
Yeah, that's what I do.
They can shoot through it too though.
None of them are far up there.
Move up, move up, move up!
One move to that tree.
Getting hella shot at. Hey, you wanna move up? I see him.
What? Oh shit, splatter for days. Look out, bud. Bud, look out. Look out, they're shooting through that hole, bud.
They're shooting through that hole, man. You won't want to move.
You here's Jesus. Look at that splatter.
Dude, I got splatters in the mat.
Is anyone else here? Yeah,
Got them.
Yeah, we just sit here, if they come to bunker us, we fucking lay them out. Got him?
Got one, yeah.
Nice. Hey, that's my hole, bro. That's mine. That shit.
Watch out, man.
Yeah, up that way.
My bad, my bad. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. That's my bad. He didn't even do it. No, I just your hand up.
Oh, it bounced. Thank God that bounced.
Don't look out there. They're shooting through there, bud.
No, dude, there's like a kid off field right there. Where is he? Oh, he's behind the tree.
No, it's on field.
He's behind that tree, yeah. Oh, I see his ass.
Nice try.
Wanna go, bro?
He's pissed.
Wanna go? Let's do this!
Where is
He's behind the tree up there.
Still?
On the left side.
Does anybody even pick up into the room yet?
There's that one guy behind the blue building. Right there in front of it. This kid shot me in the shoulder just now.
I wanna look to that.
Guys, move up! Fuck off, me little bug.
It's mosquitoes, dude. They're everywhere.
Oh, one of them's out behind the tree.
How many are there?
Oh,
He's out. The guy at the tree moved up.
Where?
He moved up to the wall.
see, that's back, bro.
Yeah, he moved back. That's the worst spot to be. I can see his little fucking head.
Sorry.
Excuse me. They're still all sitting back there.
I see some. You can see the legs right there.
Where?
On the, see the log that's fallen under the, okay, on the second ramp, there's a tree that's fallen under it. They're on the other side of that.
Oh, the big pile of.
I don't want to get under that bridge.
We could totally do it. Yo, you could also go right over to there, where that,
The logs.
sort of, yeah.
Keep working that way. If someone comes walking up, he's at the tree. That back tree?
Yeah, back tree. There's two of them at the back tree.
That's fine. They're not going to do anything.
Two guys at the bush over there.
There's a big pile. Yeah.
He's poking around really far in the tree.
He's running. Alright, now we can move up.
No, there's another guy at the tree, I think.
This kid just standing up, nothing.
I done fucked up. Hey guys, I'm coming back to you.
What?
Coming back.
Why?
It's a terrible spot.
What?
It's an awful spot.
No. Do you see this green thing? That green thing? There's a player over there. There's more, there's more. Yo, tuck in, tuck in, tuck in.
What?
They're right there. They're pushing up right there. Don't shoot them. Wait till you have a good shot.
Oh, I see. Can I see that for a second?
Yeah, they're at the green thing.
Pumped? Okay, here you go. Thanks. One's gone.
There's another one. We got them all. We got them all. All right, I'm pushing up.
There's,
Yo, good shit, guys.
there's still one there.
No, there's not.
Yeah, there is.
Oh, yeah,
Oh yeah, I see it. Oh shit, motherfucker.
I said, oh shit, nigga.
Sorry. Come on, go through.
Yeah, that's fine.
Big three, big three.
Hey, that's why yourself talk.
There's one guy.
That falls up.
A little bit when I'm sweating hardcore.
Alright,
He's got him for us.
I kinda wanna rush him.
One on condos! One on condos!
I really do not like this.
Hey, that's a big tree.
I don't know. I'm gonna go to where you were and see what's going on.
Alright, go for it. Whoa, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. One left side condos! Surge! Surge!
Nah, he's a puss.
Damn it.
Yeah. Come back.
Oh,
He's not even aiming at us. I wanna run up and shoot him.
that's what I think I'm gonna try and do. If I can get behind that, I'm good to go.
Whew. If you're running, I'm running. I'm not gonna kill him though. I'm gonna go to there.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Shoot them.
3?
That nigga
I'm getting a phone
close,
call.
he
Okay,
can't
fuck
do
it. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, watch out, get out.
Yo!
Yo.
Condos, condos!
Yeah, you see all those kids in the condo?
What?
All the kids in the condo?
Oh, fuck. Stuck in. Fuck, I'm running low on air.
Dude, I'm out. My gun's probably like acting up. Here, what time I'm gonna get up?
I'm gonna go Leroy.
Alright, go ahead. You're good right here. As long as you don't peek out, there's a guy hiding behind the car over there.
Out of the car, right?
You get right here. You're good. Like,
I wanna get up to there.
alright, go ahead.
Shit! Out! Hit! 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 Man! Ah! Ah, what the fuck, man? The fuck?